ist es, das uns seit jeher
What is it that has been driving us since we began and has made us pioneers again and again? That makes it possible for us to electrify.
Es ist die Leidenschaft, heute zu erreichen, was die Zukunft des Automobils ausmacht. Als erster Automobilhersteller,
the first car manufacturer in the world to test the piloted driving in the desert. That was Audi. Today, we have a congestion assistant to drive the Audi through traffic. A dream can become a reality. It is the will to demand the most from an automobile and to achieve the impossible. At Audi, we have, for this very concept, a term, Quattro. It is a legend that we are now electrifying. The e-tron Quattro is the first hybrid car to win the 24 Hours of Le Mans 2 times in a row, the toughest race in the world, and is thus electrifying us and car racing. It is our pioneering spirit that we use to illuminate the darkness with full LED headlights. Now we've developed a type of light that makes night into daytime with up to 1 billion light points. And what will drive us forward in the future? It is nature. Today, this allows us to take wind power and turn this into energy in natural gas. The A3 e-tron has a range of 1,000 kilometers. Our dream of electric driving is achieved with our A3 e-tron, which is going into standard production. It is the electrifying feeling of taking an idea and turning it into something great. When nature and technology blend together, and when we use swarm intelligence to help circumnavigate traffic, when eyes inspire our lighting system, this is what creates our passion for technology, our uncompromising demands for quality and perfection. This is what drives us, and this gives us our Vorsprung durch Technik.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Tony Melfi, Head of Communications, Audi AG.
Good morning,
ladies and gentlemen. Our mantra, as I think you all just saw in the video, is our passion for innovation. And we at Audi like sometimes to turn things upside down. I think you see that quite impressively here too. In the next few minutes, allow me to show you some fascinating technology and new models. And welcome to Audi. I am pleased to welcome our guests of honor today. First and foremost, Professor Dr. Ferdinand Pirch, who is head of the supervisory board of Volkswagen AG, and Ms. Pirch. Mrs. Pirch, as you know, is also a member of the supervisory board at Audi and at Volkswagen. It's nice to have you here as our guests. We're also very pleased that Professor Dr. Martin Winterkorn is here. He is the chairman of the board of management of Volkswagen AG. We're happy to have him with us. We'd also like to welcome Dr. Wolfgang Porsche, who is the chairman of the supervisory board of Porsche. And the heads of the boards of management and board of management members of all group brands, the colleagues from the Works Council, and last but not least, Matthias Wissmann, who is the president of the Association of German Automotive Manufacturers, the German Automotive Industry Association, VDA. Welcome to Audi. Let's begin with the first debut this morning, a towering example of Audi's innovative power, the new A8.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Luca De Meo, Member of the Board of Management, Sales and Marketing, Audi AG.
Good morning,
ladies and gentlemen. Today, I have the best light in the world along for you. We at Audi call this matrix LED headlights. They illuminate the road very brightly without blinding anyone. They offer you lights that are as bright as day at night, and you do not blind anyone else in traffic. We have nearly 1 billion variants possible with these headlights, and that's just one of the many, many highlights in the new A8. Audi's flagship model has undergone a targeted evolution. The A8 and the S8 are uncompromising cars in terms of materials and fit and finish, in terms of technical equipment, in terms of dynamic driving and comfort and convenience. The A8, as you can see, is even sportier than ever before. Its design is more distinctive, and the Audi S8 in particular is, I might even put it, an athlete. It goes from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in a mere 4.2 seconds. And with cylinder on demand, we achieve two things at one and the same time: power and efficiency. The Audi A8 is, without a doubt, the sportiest premium sedan in the luxury class. I definitely want to now also show you our emotional A3 Cabriolet, but you can see it for yourself.
With the
acoustic top, it's a great car to drive all year round, and you can open the top with the top down while the car is driving up to 50 kilometers an hour. It's the fourth member of our successful A3 family. And now, we will have for you the debut of a brand new segment. This is our new crossover, conceived by Audi Design with support of Ital Design, with the best of Audi technology. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Rupert Stadler, Chairman of the Board of Management, Audi AG.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The Audi Nanook Quattro, an extremely athletic sports activity vehicle with the dynamism of a high-performance sports car and the DNA of an off-road vehicle. For this concept, we have many, many ideas. This Frankfurt Motor Show is, for us, the perfect test area for these. You might remember our commercial with the Eskimos. The grandfather and his grandson reading the tracks in the snow. One of the tracks was from a polar bear, one set of tracks, and in Inuit, The polar bear is called Nanook, powerful, great endurance, speed, agility on any surface. Our tremendously powerful V10 TDI mid-engine accelerates this car in 3.8 seconds from 0 to 100 kilometers an hour, and it is also just as home off the road with its air suspension, and thanks to this and Quattro drive. And what's brand new is integral steering. This connects intelligent front axle steering and rear axle steering. Ladies and gentlemen, Salvador Dali once said, "I prefer to remember the future." And we at Audi, we prefer to shape the future, day in and day out. For instance, growth. Back in 2005, we set as our objective to double our volume in just 10 years. And today we know we're going to succeed in doing that in just 8 years. This year, we will be delivering 1.5 million cars to customers. Thank you. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all Audi people around the world for this. And we're going to continue on this offensive with new factories, including in the Americas, and with an unprecedented cavalcade of new models. Then, for instance, Quattro. We have so far built more than 5 million cars with permanent all-wheel drive. 1 in 2 of our customers orders this drive system today. Quattro is Audi, and Audi is Quattro. For example, innovative drive systems. This year, we produced 2 Tron vehicles. The Audi A3 e-tron combines the best of 2 worlds. With a fully charged battery, you can drive with 0 emissions in the city. With a full tank of fuel, you can have carefree driving on motorways. Customers will be able to order this in the coming spring with the price of about 37,000 euros. It is highly attractive in its positioning. The Audi A3 G-tron solves the biggest challenge of an or electric car. Energy, practical, should be stored practically and at low cost. With our Audi e-gas, you have CO2 or carbon neutral driving. The energy turnaround is happening at Audi inside the car. Then the next example is lightweight design. With each and every product, with each and every generation, our cars are substantially lighter. This provides more driving pleasure, substantially more emotion, and of course, fewer CO2 emissions. Another example, interconnection. We have Audi Connect, utilizing swarm intelligence for a better flow of traffic. We have assistance systems to enhance safety as well as convenience and comfort. And this applies in congestion as well as for autonomous parking. You saw those things in the videos. Ladies and gentlemen, if you can make people's eyes light up, the future will belong to you. 30 years ago, it was our Audi Sport Quattro that made people's eyes light up.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Dr. Ulrich Hackenberg, Member of the Board of Management, Technical Development, Audi AG.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. The Audi Sport Quattro concept. Ladies and gentlemen, we are picking up on our rallying success in the 80s and our Quattro heritage. And the wheel of time is turning, and therefore this show car also has a performance plug-in hybrid drive system. The Quattro concept combines a 110 kilowatt electric motor with a 4-liter V8 spark ignition engine putting out 460 horsepower with bi-turbocharging and direct injection. Therefore we have system output of 515 kilowatts, which is 700 horsepower. The torque it produces is 800 Newton meters. This concept is the technology spearhead based on the second generation of our MLB. With its short overhangs, this coupe is extremely sporty. Apart from the drive system, of course, lightweight design plays a major role. In the passenger cell, we combine ultra-high strength sheet steel with cast aluminum structures. The doors and wings or fenders are produced of aluminum, and for the roof, the front and rear lids, we utilize CFRP. At Audi, electromobility does not mean making do with a Spartanic vehicle. You'll notice this in every different driving mode of this extravagant sports car. In pure electric mode with a range of 50 kilometers, or in sports mode, where you can boost performance, you have electric motor and spark ignition engine utilized together, or in the hybrid mode for maximum efficiency. At Audi, driving pleasure and sustainability quite simply go hand in hand. As an efficient plug-in hybrid, it has standard consumption of just 2.5 liters per 100 kilometers, 113 Imperial MPG, 94 US MPG, 59 grams of CO2 per kilometers. And for such a sporty car with such a strong V8 engine, that's a very strong statement. As a result, the Audi Quattro Sport concept is our most powerful plug-in hybrid. Ladies and gentlemen, tomorrow, if you come to our press breakfast, you'll hear more news. I'd like to invite you now, 8:30 at our Audi stand here. Thank you for your attention.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for attending the Audi press conference. And now we would like to invite the members of the board onto the stage. Please use this opportunity to take photos.